When lists are created using proper formatting, assistive technologies such as screen readers are able to identify them as lists and present them as such. But to do this, we need to use the Canvas list feature since manually entering symbols like dashes or manually adding a numbering will not be recognized by assistive technology. So in the accessibility checker right here, if Canvas identifies something that it thinks should be a list, it will create an issue telling us that lists should be formatted as lists. So right here we have some numbering, but it's not formatted as a list. So to fix this, we can just go ahead and click the box and apply it. Sometimes the accessibility checker will flag names, such as right here, R cues, as a possible list if it's at the beginning of a paragraph. Unfortunately, we can't dismiss this issue from the accessibility checker, but if you know that the item shouldn't be a list, you can just go ahead and ignore the error in this case.